But now we're going to go into our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about the Kershaw launch series. So this is not the entire line. This is just, honestly, it's the most we've ever had of the launch series. So we figured it'd be a good time, and there's some new stuff. So it'd be a good time to talk about the launch series. So if you're not familiar, the launch series is a series of knives that are all automatic. So they've got a button, you push it, they fire. Same button acts as the lock, so super simple, but nice and snappy. So getting into some of the specifics. So we have two California legal models. Here, zoom in. So we have the Launch 4 and the Launch 9. Both very small, literally micro. You'll see everything comes with a deep carry pocket clip. The trailing point, the Launch 7. So we have the 4, the 7, and the 9. Then Daniel's favorite, the one he carries sometimes, is the Launch 11. And most of these are in CPM 154 stainless steel, which is our favorite. It's what we make custom knives out of. Then we have the Launch 12. This is a mini stiletto. There is a larger form of this, just don't have it in stock right now. Then we have the 14, which is the cleaver with carbon fiber, very nice. And then there's a couple forms of the 16. So both Tontos, one serrated, one unserrated, and then this one also comes in a green, which they're starting to do more colors faster. What I love about this one is I love this texture. Like, that is super grippy. Yeah, and then that's the 16. So then we have the 17. Again, so this is a G10 inlay. They do a lot of cool inlays with these, right? Didn't mention the carbon fiber on that one, but like they do a lot of cool inlays. And that's another trailing point-esque automatic. And then the 18, so very similar to the 11 body style, but then a spear point blade. So that was the first knife they basically took. They took the 11's body, changed it a little bit, and bang, you get a new knife. And then the 19, which I think is all of our favorites. So you take the handle from the 14 and give it this nice trailing point with a thumb ramp on it, and that is just a good looking knife. Fires beautifully. Coyote Brown G10 on there. And we may, not saying, but we may buy some extra ones of these and swap them so you get a carbon fiber Launch 19.
Right on. And you said most of these are CPM 154. What's this
yes.
one? I think that one's different, right?
That one, yes, is CPM M4.
Right on.
And we don't have it in stock, but the 15 is Magna Cut. It's a kind of a spear point, but a single-sided spear point. So yeah, they are changing the steels up a little bit depending on the use of the knife. So M4 will have an increased toughness. CPM 154 is just a great balanced steel for many things. I just love the coating on that one, like just a little coating, boop, something Civivi used to do a lot of.
All right, y'all, we'll wrap it up here. See you on the next one.